Here's this laptop. It's an Acer Ferrari One 200. Okay, and let's see how to start it from the USB flash drive. Okay, power it on and then press F2. Press it a few times. Mentioned here in the corner. Okay, and that's the BIOS. You can use the arrow keys to navigate. Okay, and the first one is the hard drive. Use the F5 and F6. So F5 and F6 to move them up. So let's go down. That's the flash drive, it's already inserted. F5 brings it down, F6 brings it up. Okay, so the first one is the USB flash drive. F10 to save it, F10, save it and press enter. Okay, and now it should start from the USB flash drive. It's already blinking. Press any key to boot from USB. I just pressed spacebar, and now Windows is starting from the USB.